Welcome to my channel Focus Nature and Wildlife by AJ. As the dawn breaks over the vast landscape of Little Rann of Kutch, the first light of day starts to pierce through the early morning mist. The fog, thick and soft, wraps around the landscape like a blanket. And there on the water's edge we find a flock of pelicans awaiting for sunset. This is daily ritual in Little Rann of Kutch, Gujarat. The first of them take to the air, their wings beating in slow, steady rhythm. They glide effortlessly over the water, their wings cutting through the cool morning air with a silent majesty. In the little run of Kutch, the water is rich with fishes and other small aquatic life, making it perfect winter haven for these migratory birds. It's a world of quiet preparation. Some pelicans stretch their great beaks, their large wings, and powerful bodies ready for flight. Moving with calm, deliberate pace, walking along the shallow edges, their long legs skimming the surface, searching for their first meal of the day. Each pelican is on a mission of finding its meal. Throughout the day, the scene remains wild, constant movement and life. Some pelicans go cleaning, while others scanning the water for their next step. The little run of Kutch provides a unique ecosystem for these birds, rich with food and space to thrive. This seasonal migration is an essential part of their life cycle. For these pelicans, winter here is a time to replenish, rest, and prepare for the journey back home when the time comes. As the day progresses, the interactions between the pelicans become more noticeable. They engage in a display of dominance, their beaks raised high in casual gestures. Here in the heart of Gujarat, these winter visitors remind us of delicate connections that bind us with the natural world. In the quiet moments when the fog rolls in and the sun rises over the water, there is a profound peace that surrounds the pelicans. A peace we can all take a moment to appreciate.